All right. So the two top cryptos up right now in the top 100, more so than anything else, they both have something in common. They're both tied to Donald Trump. So why is this happening? Is there still time to get out ahead of these two assets right now? Both assets have been hit hard recently, in October when we had the big flash crash. But now all of a sudden, there's good news coming out about the government reopening. Could that be the reason why we're seeing World Liberty Fi and the official Trump meme coin up big today? World Liberty Fi up 23% and the official Trump coin up 21%. You've got a few other altcoins doing decent. Starknet's been on a nice ride up. It's up 20%, but then it's a big drop off. You've got Injective up 8%, Hedera H bar up 9%, XRP up 8%, Uniswap up 10% right now. So you've got some decent movement, decent action, but there's no doubt that World Liberty Fi and the official Trump coin doing a little bit more than most. So there's definitely some growing whale accumulation, meaning large holders. If we take a look at the chart here for the Trump coin, it really started back here on Wednesday. We got the momentum up on the hourly. First time we got that in a long time. Way back here, thanks to XTiago, our trading software. You guys know you can get access to that anytime you'd like for like $1 a day, get you started. It's awesome because the first 30 days, totally free. You can get a full refund after 30 days if you just want to test out the product. But I know you guys will love it. But what we're seeing here, look at all these volume bars right here since yesterday and into today, a lot of volume coming in. All of a sudden, the technicals have all flipped bullish. Look at this buy signal across the board. The only thing we're waiting on now is the 200-day moving average. Our EMA is right here at 968. We're at 935, $9.35 right now at the time of this recording. So we're very close to reclaiming our 200-day moving average. If that happens, we could see a really, really nice boost in the price from here. So, as we've been talking about for weeks and months now, follow the momentum. So, I've already, got a little bit of Trump, but it would not be a bad idea, in my opinion, to be looking for an entry. Maybe wait on a little pullback from where we are right now, but this is the time not to be greedy. You got to follow the money. Even if you catch it in this range, it's already up 15, 20%. What we've seen is a few days go by and these things are up 50, 60, 70%. It's not to say it's going to happen like that every single time, but there's definitely some correlation happening with the big news with World Liberty Fi, the whole political narrative. Trump and World Liberty Fi are both Trump branded, both Trump linked tokens. Some of the same risk on or hype dynamics are definitely spilling across both of these assets right now. And I think it's because of the government reopening. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I think if we're looking at, a community coin that could perform well over the next 2 months, I probably have to go with Trump over everything else, right? It as bad as it was, in terms of how fast it went up and how fast it came down, it did bring a lot of people into crypto. And obviously, he's got a household name. There's so many people who got into crypto just because of him and his new coin, right? Most of us watching the channel, we were already here, right? We were here before all of that happened. But it's definitely one you can make a speculative bet on right now. I don't hate it. Even at these price levels, we're sitting just shy of a $2 billion market cap on that coin in particular. World Liberty Fi is one that I'm holding on to a little bit longer term. I've got a pretty decent position here. I bought it around 13 cents. It's worth a little over 15 cents. So up slightly on that trade. Not mad about that at all. I let my private community members know about this as well over at the Patreon. You guys are always interested to come check us out over there. Over here, become an inner circle member. You'll be able to see all my moves I'm making in real time and sharing with you guys all my insights that I've got and all the moves I'm making. But yeah, again, this is a longer term play for me. The Trump meme coin would be more of a trade, for me. And it's not one that I would look to accumulate, for the long term right now. That could change. But World Liberty Fi is intriguing because they're actually doing some interesting things with it. They're in talks right now of getting into real estate tokenization, utilizing the World Liberty Fund token in order to get access to some of the deals that Trump wants to do. So that to me is a little bit more intriguing for a longer term play. But I think there's a lot of whale accumulation happening. There's no doubt the volume numbers are way up, but there's also, I think, heavy speculation on, future rate cuts, the economy looking better toward the end of the year, the government reopening, and hence why we're seeing the Trump backed slash Trump linked tokens performing well. But as I've been mentioning, follow the momentum, follow the money at this point. This is the kind of altcoin environment we're in right now. You might be holding your long-term spot positions in some of your favorite alts, but if you've got capital on the sidelines, which we always talk about as something I always do, because you just never know what kind of narrative is going to take off next. If you do have some excess capital and you're looking to deploy it, follow the momentum. And these could be some interesting plays right now, given still where we are. So let me know your thoughts down below. I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll be giving you guys a bunch more content here. We're back kind of in the saddle. I had a great trip out in Florida, and it was a great conference, but happy to be back and, producing these videos for you guys every single day. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.